Hello, welcome. Now today we have a past wide question in mathematics that we're going to solve together. Follow me. Now it says the diameter of a circle center O is 26 cm. If a chord PQ is drawn such that it is 5 cm from O to the center of the chord, find, correct to the nearest whole number, angle POQ. First thing first. Now let's analyze the question. The diameter of a circle center O is 26 cm. Now what is a diameter? A diameter is a line that divides a circle into two equal parts. Okay, so that line that divides the circle into two equal parts is called the diameter. All right, so if for instance this is my circle, okay, now the said center O, this is the center O. Now this line that divides into two equal parts, this part equal to this part, is the diameter, and we are told that it is equal to what? 26 cm. Now if it is 26 cm, it means that the radius is what? 13, because radius is what? Half of diameter, or diameter divided by 2. So 26 divided by 2 gives me 13. That means the radius here to here is 13, here to here again is 13. What is radius? Radius is a line drawn from the midpoint of the circle to touch any part of the circumference. Okay, if I have a circle, a line that divides the circle into two equal parts is the diameter. All right, a line drawn from the midpoint of the circle to touch any part of the circumference is the radius. So my radius here is 13. So therefore means that this radius is 13. This radius again is also what? 13. 13 cm, 13 cm. Now if a chord PQ, now what is a chord? Now a chord is a line that divides a circle into two parts, but not equal parts. Okay, so whereas a diameter divides the circle into two parts, a chord divides the circle into two parts, but the parts are not equal. So if I have a circle like this, if I draw a line like this is a chord, because it divides the circle into two, the major and the minor, but the two parts are not the same, they are not equal. So that's the difference between a chord and a diameter. Diameter divides into two parts, chord divides into two unequal parts. It produces a major and a minor. Now we are told that chord PQ is drawn such that it is 5 cm from O. This is the chord. Okay, 5 cm from O. This is O. This is the chord. So that means from here to here is what? 5 cm. All right. Now we are told find, correct to the nearest whole number, angle POQ. The chord is PQ. Don't forget PQ. So we are told to find angle POQ. So this angle is what we are to look for in this question. Now what do you observe? This is a triangle. Okay, POQ is a triangle. In this triangle we have two right angles. Now let's bring that one of the right angle triangle. Okay, this is my P. This is my O. Now let's call this midpoint S. Okay, so that means this first right angle triangle will be POS. Of course, this is 90 degrees perpendicular to the chord. Okay, now this is what I'm to look for. I'm to look for PQ. But watch, we are told that PQ is drawn so that it's 5 cm from O. Now I know that this is 5. My OS is 5. I also know that PO is 13 cm. So I know this side and I know this side, but this angle is what I'm looking for. Let's call this angle theta. Alright, now from trigonometry I told you the last time, the angle directly facing the theta is the opposite. The longest side, or the side directly facing the angle 90 is the hypotenuse. Then the third side is the what? Adjacent. So from this right angle triangle, I know the adjacent and I know the hypotenuse with theta in view. I know the adjacent and I know the hypotenuse. Now from SOHCAHTOA, which of them combines adjacent and hypotenuse? Car, that is cos. So it therefore means that cos theta, it therefore means that cos theta is equal to what? Adjacent over hypotenuse. And that gives me what? What is my adjacent? 5. What is my hypotenuse? 13. 5 over 13. So I have cos theta equals 5 over 13. Okay? Now, if cos theta is 5 over 13, I'm looking for theta. So theta becomes the arc cos of what? 5 over 13, or the inverse of cos 5 over 13. So how do you type this in your calculator? Shift cos, open a bracket, 5 over 13. Okay? Or some calculator we have arc, some calculator we have inverse. So the cos inverse or the arc cos cos inverse of 5 over 13, that gives me theta. Okay? So if you get your answer using your calculator, that becomes the theta. But take note, we have to look for POQ. This is theta. Now this is also theta because these two angles are equal. Take note, because this right angle triangle is similar to this. The hypotenuse is the same, the adjacent is the same, 13 and 5. So whatever I get for theta here will also be what I will get here. So if you get the arc cos of 5 over 13, the full angle now, angle POQ, will be equal to 2 times whatever you get for the cos. Arc cos of what? 5 over 13. Now I want you to solve this and let me know your answer in the comment section. Don't forget, arc cos of 5 over 13, whatever you get multiplied by 2, that gives you the angle POQ. Let me see if you get it in the comment section. Bye.